Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a chart on a Google Sheets. So first thing we're gonna do is just open the Google Sheet. We can do by open the Drive application, or we just can also do it directly by open the application itself. And after that, you can also choose either you want to start a new documents by click this plus button, or you can also choose the previous document. For me, since I already made one, so I want to use my previous document here that already containing the information that we need. So make sure that the information that you want to convert into the chart has these two information. First one is the name of the tools, and the next one is the amount of the tools itself. So here I already have the purchase information. There is an apple, bananas, grapes, dates, and watermelons. And then the second column, there is an amount of each purchasing. There's in the kilograms, so there will be 30 kilograms apple, 18 kilograms of bananas, and so on and so on. So how to create a chart? You just need to block all of this information. Okay, and after that, please go into this plus button on the right upper corner, and you will be generated into the insert tools, and go into the chart, and please go into the type, and now you can choose what information or what chart that you want to have. For example, this line chart. Okay, this line chart like this. Again, after you choose, just click done. But if you want to insert more chart to comparing the look of the chart, you can just do the same way as before. Block all of the information, and then go into the plus button, and then go into the chart, go into the type, and choose what type of chart that we want to add. Let's go with the area, and after that, just click done. Okay, that's how the way you create a chart in a Google Sheet. Now you already have this two chart. So in the left side, there will be information about the amount of the purchasing, and in the bottom side, there will be information about the purchase that we do. And that's all the way how you create a chart in Google Sheet. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.